Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to get a T5 from Scotiabank online, okay? So you can either do this from the app or web. I'm gonna show you both. So if you're using the app, right? So go ahead and view and download your tax documents. So this is what you do. You sign into your online banking, okay? And from your accounts page, you wanna select the communication center. Then just go ahead and select tax documents. So from these tax documents, you want to select which accounts you'd like to view tax documents for and for which period. And then you can go ahead and download them as well. And if you are on the web, just go to the accounts page, select communication center, select the tax documents option, and just select which accounts you'd like to see the tax documents for, to view them basically, and for which period, which time period, and you can go ahead and download them as a PDF as well if you'd like. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.